So I'm going to show you different configurations you can set up with the SOTSU monitor. And the first one is the kickstand mode. And as you can see, I have it side by side with my MacBook. Simple kickstand that pops out from the rear, and then you just plug in the USB-C cord that comes with it. And voila, you've got an external 16-inch monitor to complement your MacBook. Hi, I'm Kelvin G from Tesla Owners of Silicon Valley, and I'm going to do a review of the SOTSU Elite Flip Action 16-inch external monitor. They sent this to me, and I am really jazzed to check it out. First of all, you'll notice that it's very Apple-esque packaging. White packaging, very sleek matte finish, and it comes with this cool little sleeve. And my first impressions, actually, in taking this out, is how cool and complementary it is to an Apple MacBook Pro. It's all aluminum, it's pretty skinny, and it is a 16-inch monitor. It's got multiple inputs, so it's got a mini HDMI, a main Type-C, power in, and it just uses the USB-C port in your MacBook Pro to plug in, or your MacBook to power it, so you don't need an external power source. And it also has an SD slot. So I'm gonna be setting this up, and then let's check it out. This is my setup at my home office, and as you can see, I have a widescreen monitor, and then I also use my monitor on my MacBook Pro as my secondary screen. And this is a great setup for me because it allows me to spread out all my windows, all my browser tabs, and I can multitask and have several things going on at once. So this is a great setup from an efficiency standpoint. Many of you guys probably use a widescreen monitor or a two-screen setup at home. And so when you move to a mobile setup, you lose this valuable screen space. And so this is really where the SOTSU external monitor really comes in handy. One of the cool things actually I really appreciate is this is the actual stand that comes with the monitor, and it is magnetized. And so you can see that it just pulls off like that. And so it's a super portable form factor. It doesn't just, this is something that you have to carry it around in your backpack or something. It actually can just attach like this, and then you just bring this along with your MacBook. So I'm going to show you different configurations you can set up with the SOTSU monitor. And the first one is the kickstand mode. And as you can see, I have it side by side with my MacBook. And it's just a simple, leveraging the simple kickstand that pops out from the rear. And then you just plug in the USB-C cord that comes with it. And voila, you've got an external 16-inch monitor to complement your MacBook. One of the cool things I like about the SOTSU monitor is the kickstand, which I showed you how it works in the previous mode. It actually rotates. It rotates 180 degrees. And so you can actually just rotate like so. And now with the stand that comes provided, this thing pops up like so. And now you can just simply connect it like that and adjust the angle accordingly. And now you've got a monitor that can sit on top of your MacBook monitor. And this is what it looks like when you have the monitors stacked on top of each other. The reason why I like this configuration and setup is because sometimes when you're at a Starbucks or you're at a hotel and you're traveling, you don't have a lot of space. And this allows you to actually use the space a lot more efficiently, again, and have the benefits of two monitors. A third setting, which I like, is this single document vertical orientation. So as you can see, I have it set up here. And for those who are working with long documents or coding, a vertical orientation might be more beneficial than a horizontal one. And so you can see this supports a vertical orientation. You just go to your settings on your MacBook and you can change the orientation there. In summary, I recommend the SOTSU Flip Action Elite 16-inch monitor. It is a cool 16-inch monitor that fits the Apple-esque ecosystem really well. I should also point out that with the mini HDMI port, you can actually plug this into a console, and a gaming console, and play games externally, so that's kind of cool too. But it is a 4K display, 3840 by 2400 resolution, and weight-wise, it weighs in at around 925 grams, which is fairly light. And again, you can just fold this up, slide this into your backpack along with your MacBook, and you've got an external monitor ready to go.